Dear students, this is Jevana Monica, lecturer in physics. Now I am dealing paper 5B, final year students, modern physics. In this, the unit number 1 is atomic and molecular physics. In this unit, we have the topics Bohr atomic model failures, Raman effect, vector atom model, Stern and Gerlach experiment. First of all, we will discuss about the vector atom model associated with the quantum numbers. So we know that quantum numbers are 4 types. They are first one, principal quantum number. Second one is orbital quantum number. Third one is spin quantum number. And fourth one is total angular quantum number. These 4 quantum numbers are in general. In addition of 3 quantum numbers, the model is called as vector atom model. They are the additional quantum numbers. They are orbital, magnetic quantum number, and magnetic spin quantum number, and total magnetic quantum number. So these 7 quantum numbers are called as vector atom model associated with quantum numbers. So the principal quantum number is denoted as letter small n, and the orbital quantum number denotes small l, spin quantum number small s, total angular quantum number small j, orbital magnetic quantum number m suffix l, magnetic spin quantum number m suffix small s, total magnetic quantum number m j. In particular, first of all, we will discuss on principal quantum number. It belongs to principal orbit of an electron. The total quantum number n can have only non-zero positive integer values, that is n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on infinity. The energy levels corresponding to n is equal to 1. It is denoted by capital K. If n is equal to 2, it is denoted by capital L. If n is equal to 3, it is denoted by M. N is equal to 4, denoted by N, and so on respectively. It indicates the size of the orbit and indicates energy levels. The second quantum number is orbital quantum number, and it is denoted by the letter small l. It defines the shape of the orbit occupied by the electron. Hence, it is called orbital quantum number. L can have any integer values from 0 to n minus 1. That is, small l is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on n minus 1. The particular L values defines the subshell. The subshells with L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 are called if L is equal to 0. The subshell, it represents the small s. If L is equal to 1, the subshell is P. If L is equal to 2, the subshell is small d, and the L is equal to 3, the subshell is small f respectively. The number of electrons in a subshell is equal to 2 into 2L plus 1. It represents, if L is equal to 0, the subshell S can exist only 2 electrons by this equation. Suppose L is equal to 0, then 2 into 0 plus 1, 2 plus 0 plus 1, therefore 2. Only 2 electrons can exist in S subshell. Okay. Third quantum number is spin quantum number. It is represented by small s. This quantum number concerns spins of an electron about its own axis. This spin produces a spin magnetic moment which can be either parallel or anti-parallel to the surrounding magnetic field. Electron has 2 spin values. If the electron spin in clockwise, S can have only positive and negative spin values. They are plus or minus half. If the electron spin in clockwise, S can have positive half value, and the electron spin in anti-clockwise, S can have minus half value. The fourth quantum number is total angular quantum number. It is represented by small letter j. The resultant angular momentum of the electron due to both orbital and spin motions is called total angular quantum number. Its numerical value is vector sum of small l and small s. J is equal to L plus S when L and S are parallel. J is equal to L minus S when L, S are anti-parallel. Next quantum number is orbital magnetic quantum number, small l. To explain the effect of magnetic field on the orbital motion, a quantum number ml known as orbital quantum number is introduced. That is ml is equal to L cos theta, but cos theta lies from plus 1 to minus 1. Hence, the permitted values of ml are from plus L to minus L. The number of possible ml values are 2L plus 1 including 0. These are possible values. Next quantum number is magnetic spin quantum number, and it is represented by small ms. It is defined as the component of S in the field direction. That is, ms is equal to S cos theta. The possible values of ms are from plus S to minus S excluding 0. The number of possible values of ms are 2s plus 1. The last quantum number is total magnetic quantum number, m